A minor girl sustained injuries after unidentified miscreants allegedly opened fire at the house at Kshetri, Bengoon, Mamang, Ching in Imphal East District under Porampad Police Station last night. According to reports, the incident occurred at around 10:30 p.m. when a group of unidentified individuals arrived in a four-wheeler and allegedly opened fire towards the house. The injured girl, daughter of MD Imtiaz and Maichon, was rushed to Jennings Hospital for treatment. Condemning the incident, the Youth Progressive Organization YPO along with local residents of Kshetri, Bengoon, Awang today staged a protest demonstration. The victim's mother, Maichon, said her daughter is undergoing treatment and demanded strict punishment for those responsible. YPO advisor Syed Fazlur Rahman also condemned the attack, calling it an inhumane act against a child and urged authorities to take swift legal action. The organization further appealed to Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights to investigate the incident and book all those responsible.
Youth Progressive Organization YPO की माइकैदगी थमजनिंगबदी असिगुमलबा मिनुंगसी खंगद्रबा सारम चटचटबा चौखत्तबा मियोइसिंग अदो अथुब मतमदा मरी लेनबना थिदोकपिदुना फागत पिबगा लोइनना कनबा चैराक पिबिनबा हाइजरी मसी मखा ताबा अमुहना थोक्तनबगिदमक्ता मरी लेनबा अथॉरिटीनासु मका ताबा थबकसिंग दरकार लैबसिंग पाइखत पिनबा मसिमसु क्लब की माइकैदगी थमजरी।